Hello guys! So today we're gonna show you the types of camera shots
and its description.
So let's start!
Long shot. Long shot shows the full body length of the character. Medium shot. Medium shot is the one that can see the actor's waist to up.
And sometimes the best that we can do.
Close-up shot. Close-up shot only shows the actor's face.
The malice.
Extreme close-up shot is a type of shot that only shows a part of the actor's face. Arc shot. Arc shot is a type of shot that is filming a character on a moving encircling camera.
None of us can go back.
Pan. Pan is a movement of a stationary camera on a horizontal axis while tilted on a vertical axis like up and down.
Even if there's a small...
Halo shot. In this shot, the camera is kinda a bit shaky.
Point of view shot or POV shot. This type of shot shows what the character is looking at. At this point, I can see Miguel. Hi!
Realized I loved you.
Two shot. Two shot is a medium shot that depicts two people in a frame. Low angle shot. At this point, the camera is looking up to the character, while high angle shot is the one that the camera is looking down to the character. Lockdown shot. Lockdown shot is a type of shot that the camera is fixed in one position
While the action continues in off-screen.
You willing to take responsibility for his actions?
Yucks! Ew! Tai.
Well. Biya ka ka dira day. Sama na uy. Style mo day. Pugong. Mauta pod uy. Sana. Hala.
Ouch!
Ouch! Wamakay ka accent uy. Kapobriha bayas bayi. Please na ko daghang kwarta.
Excuse me pa. I don't understand what you're talking about.
Sa edo na nawa to iba. Sa lingwahe na. Bisiya ka gang o English na gang. My gosh.
Ate!
Ha? Unsa?
Wala doon yung kwarta siyang pitaka! Nasukuna kayo siya!
Yeah, din ni kwarta. Patay na. Uli na ta.
May pa kayo, nasukuna kayo sa mama.
I'm sipping Hennessy. Ooh, I'm sipping Hennessy.